Are you trying to figure out how to switch from kilometers to miles on your iPhone maps? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the steps of changing kilometers to miles on your iPhone maps so that you can quickly and easily get back on track. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Once you are on this page, scroll down and tap Language and Region. After that, tap where it says Measurement System. So now, if you have set this to metric or UK, change it to US. By changing it to US, it will switch from kilometers to miles on your Apple Maps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.